guys, welcome back to my channel for a new video. I'm super stoked to be here. Today we're going to Charlevoix in Quebec province. Quebec is a province of the Canada. It's located in far east of the Canada. I've never been there. I'm so excited. It looks so beautiful. Tonight's gonna be super cold. It's gonna be minus 15. I hope my sleeping bag is good for the temperature. If not, I'm gonna be freezing. The clunking noise that you hear, it's the portable camping stove. It makes a horrible sound. I hate it. I have to do something about it. And we have 4 hours to go. I left Montreal a little bit later than I thought. By the time we're gonna be at Charlevoix, it's gonna be super dark. It's gonna be 6 o'clock and I'm gonna be starving. So let's catch you guys in Charlevoix and we're probably gonna be eating dinner. Today I'm going to a spot on Overlander this time. There's a little dry toilet there, so that's very nice. And I think it's surrounded by a river. So we'll see where it leads us. Hey guys, it's 6 o'clock. I just made it. Let's eat. I'm so hungry. And by the way guys, it's minus 17. It's really cold here. Dinner tonight is gonna be very basic. Pastas with tofu sauce. And this one is very good. I like it so much. The water is boiling at the moment. Tomorrow I'm going in a national park for a hike. By the photos I saw, it looks super beautiful and I'm really happy I can do it tomorrow. I'm not sure of the trail conditions, if I have to put snowshoes on or I have to put spikes underneath the shoes. I'm gonna see tomorrow what I bring with me. It's a surprise. It's so weird because I already have my access for tomorrow. Because of the COVID thing and everything, they reduce the access. So you have to pay in advance to be sure that you can enter the territory of their park. So it feels weird, but I have my access, so I'm good. I forgot to bring another big container, so that's my technique for tonight. Oh, it's gonna be cold. Oh my god. That's pretty good. I'm gonna finish eating and after that I'm gonna have some rest and sleep for a big day tomorrow. so it's getting very cold. So I started the body heater, and I brought my girlfriend sleeping bag. It's rated at like, I think 22 Fahrenheit. I think it's -5 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna add both together, and I wish it's gonna be hot enough so I can have a good sleep. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, guys. It was a cold night. If I didn't have another sleeping bag, I would have been dead. It was cold. Everything is frozen. I don't know the temperature, if it's less than -17. I have no signal. I'm gonna boil some water and make myself a coffee. I started the car for maximum heat this morning. It looks like it's a beautiful day today. It's very sunny. That's the spot that I slept last night. It's a little spot, very close to the road, but I sleep so hard that I don't hear the car passes or the trucks. There's a lot of trucks on this road. I'm gonna make my way to the national park. See you there, guys. That's a big mountain. Whoa, it looks so good. That's my smile right now. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. That's the view from the parking. It's crazy. I'm on the trail. I talked to someone that finished the trail. They said that there's no need for snowshoes or spikes. The trail is really well tapped, not icy. It's a 8.2 kilometers trip. It says that it's approximately 4 to 5 hours, and it's 8:30 in the morning. So we have a long day. It's so beautiful. I can see the parking lot from here, and even the car. It looks so far away, but it's only been 1.5 kilometers. It's a nice little lake. Ooh, I'm not gonna venture on the ice like others did. It's beautiful. It's getting quite steep. I hope to see the peak soon. We're almost there. I made it to the top! Just eating some regular nuts with the regular view. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos. Be safe exploring.